I am a vice mayor, and my covenant with my people is to devote myself to public service by divine providence and by the will of the people. I am mandated to preside over the local legislature. May Almighty God help me consecrate myself for the people I am called to serve. Maraming salamat po, mabuhay po ang lahat ng Vice Mayor ng Caraga Region.
We don't back down, this is what we're made of. Standing our ground, here it goes down. Oh, you and me, we're gonna be legendary.
Nalipay ko kay first time bati ko sa history. Ngangani sa Agusan del Sur ang Vice Mayor's League, no? Ang sa region. And kita ngani sa Caraga Region, ang gilakaw po nato nga ang Regional Science Lab ma-update po nato ni.
Legendary. We're gonna be legendary. Raise up a wild.
Atong pahimusdan ngay gayon nakaroon nga niyata no nga baka tigom ta and then makagbaylo ay ta no ug mga maayong pamagi unsaon nato pagpanambo ang mga balaod doon na sa atong mata LGU. So daghang salamat o gamay hapon katong
You and me, we're gonna be legendary. Oh, wait to see, we're gonna be legendary. Ain't no time like the here and now. Yeah, we showed up, now we're showing up. Oh, you and me, we're gonna be legendary. Legendary. We're gonna be legendary.
Sa first term ko as Vice Mayor, dahil nakita na po ako sa Liga, no? Kinuha po ako nung dating presidente, si Vice Mayor Joy Mejia, ang ating presidente. Last term, kinuha po akong Public Relation Officer for Luzon. And then, ngayon po, so pinalad po, kaya kukunin ko yung pagkakataon sa inyo na ito. Maraming salamat, Caraga Region, sa inyong tiwala at suporta.
Ain't no time like the here and now. Yeah, we showed up, now we're showing up. Oh, you and me, we're gonna be legendary.
Welcome to Agusan del Sur. Enjoy the night. Thank you.
We're gonna be legendary.
Mabuhay ang Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines.
Legendary.